and molecules. Object learning about atoms. Hello students. What is an atom? Just as all the houses are made up of bricks, in the same way, all the matter is made up of atoms. Atoms are very small in size. An idea of extremely small size of atoms can be had from the fact that 35 crores copper atoms arranged end to end in a line would cover a distance of about 1 centimeter. Isn't that amazing? The size of an atom is indicated by its radius, which is called atomic radius. Radius of atom. Atomic radius is measured in nanometers, which is very small unit of measuring length. The symbol of nanometer is nm. Atomic radius is measured in nanometers. 1 by 10 raised to power 9 meters is equal to 1 nanometer. 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to power 9 nanometer. Relative sizes of nanometer as follows. Our entire world is made up of atoms. We may not be able to see them, but they are there and constantly affecting whatever we do. Through modern techniques, we can now produce magnifying images of surfaces of elements showing atoms. What are the modern-day symbols of atoms of different elements? Dalton was the first scientist to use the symbols for elements in a very specific sense. When he used a symbol for an element, he also meant a definite quantity of that element, that is, one atom of that element. Symbols of elements are made from one or two letters of the name of the element. Nowadays, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, that is IUPAC, approves names of elements. Many of the symbols are the first one or two letters of the element's name in English. The first letter of a symbol is always written as a capital letter and the second letter as a small letter. For example, 1. Hydrogen is H, aluminium Al, and not capital Al. Cobalt Co and not capital Co. Symbols of some elements are formed from the first letter of the name and a letter appearing later in the name. Examples are chlorine, Cl, zinc, Zn, etc. Other symbols have been taken from the names of elements in Latin, German, or Greek. For example, the symbol of iron is Fe from its Latin name ferrum. Sodium is Na from natrium. Potassium is K from kalium. Therefore, each element has a name and a unique chemical symbol. Symbols for some elements as follows. Atomic mass. In 1961, for a universally accepted atomic mass unit, carbon-12 isotope was chosen as the standard reference for measuring atomic masses. One atomic mass unit is a mass unit equals to exactly 1/12 the mass of one atom of carbon-12. The relative atomic masses of all elements have been found with respect to an atom of carbon-12. The Imagine a fruit seller selling fruits without any standard weight with him. He takes a watermelon and says, "This has a mass equal to 12 units. 12 watermelon units or 12 fruit mass units." He makes 12 equal pieces of the watermelon and finds the mass of each fruit he is selling, relative to the mass of one piece of the watermelon. Now, he sells his fruits by relative fruit mass unit, FMU, as in 3.4. Similarly, the relative atomic masses of the atom of an element is defined as the average mass of the atom as compared to 1/12th mass of one carbon-12 atom. By using this value of atomic mass unit, we can find the actual mass or absolute mass of the atom of any element. Let us see the significance of the chemical symbols of an element. First, symbol represents name of the element. 2. Symbol represents one atom of the element. 3. Symbol also represents 1 mole of atoms of the elements. 4. That is, symbol also represents 6.022 into 10⁻23 atoms of the element. Symbol represents a definite mass of the element that is equal to atomic mass expressed in grams. Summary: atoms are very small in size. Atomic radius is measured in nanometers. Our entire world is made up of atoms. An atom is the smallest particle of the element that can exist independently and retain all its chemical properties. A molecule is the smallest particle of an element or a compound capable of independent existence under ordinary conditions. It shows all the properties of the substance. A chemical formula of a compound shows its constituent elements and the number of atoms of each combining element. So that is all in this topic, student. Let us learn about molecules in our next topic. Till then, keep learning. Bye-bye.